Mm-hmm.
Henry, you do not know how cool you look right now.
How cool I look.
Yeah, the tubes and it's just really cool.
Nice.
No, I'm getting enough. Trust me. It's just a cool view. It's just the light is perfect.
God, it's concrete.
You can't get the ash off the floor?
The clinkers.
Oh.
So all the impurities
Oh, neat.
form clinkers, which is
That's good.
well, I'll give it back to you after I sweep off the top of the firebox door. Oh, I figured out why our coffee didn't boil.
Yeah?
Yeah. Look at the back of the door. The inside of the door.
Yeah.
Where'd you guys put it? You put it like right here?
It's an air duct.
Yeah.
And it's thick.
Yeah.
So you're sucking cool air in on
Getting
your
cool
coffee.
air through it,
Yeah. Exactly.
It's like I'm looking into a portal into another dimension where Henry's sweeping something.
It's so interesting being surrounded on all sides by a very black material. Because it's dark.
My eyes.
Alright,
You're done.
let's get me out of here before I die. Before I develop black lung or who knows what else.
You're a fireman. You will develop black lung. Kind of comes with the job title.
Flash cell phone.
I'm good. It's in good.
Okay.
The void. Mm.
You don't want to touch me.
I don't care.
I got it.
You got it?
Let me go.
Okay.
I've done this before.
City.
Yeah, isn't it lovely? My God. Oil engines, everybody. Everyone says they're clean.
Nobody does.
I'm slamming.